Welcome to our essential guide for mastering the PTE academic writing section, designed specifically for students aiming for top scores. The writing section assesses your ability to produce clear, coherent, and grammatically correct English within strict time limits. Our first crucial tip is effective time management. Each task has a specific time allocation, and sticking to it is paramount. For summarized written text, aim for 7 to 10 minutes. For write essay, allocate around 20 minutes to plan, write, and review. Our second tip focuses on understanding the response structure. Each task demands a particular format for optimal scoring. For summaries, identify the main idea and key supporting points, then condense them into a single grammatically correct sentence. Essays require a clear introduction, body paragraphs with supporting evidence, and a strong conclusion. Tip number 3 emphasizes vocabulary and grammar. Rich vocabulary and accurate grammar are vital for conveying your ideas effectively. Use a variety of sentence structures and avoid repetition. Proofread carefully for any errors. Our fourth tip is to practice regularly. Consistent practice builds confidence and improves your writing speed and quality. Utilize official PTE practice materials and online resources to familiarize yourself with the question types and scoring criteria. Finally, tip number 5 stay calm and focused during the exam. Stress can negatively impact your performance. Take a few deep breaths if you feel overwhelmed. Remember your preparation and trust your abilities. By implementing these 5 tips, you will be well equipped to tackle the PTE academic writing section with confidence. Good luck with your exam preparation and remember that consistent effort leads to success.